The journey begins where sweetness is grown and
Every bottle starts with raw nature, untouched and pure. Precision begins with a single decisive cut. Organized effort transforms chaos into supply. Modern machines accelerate what once took days. Transcription. Raw material begins its controlled journey.
Volume is everything in global production.
The road to refinement begins here. Purity starts with carefully sourced water. Every drop is refined before use. Sweetness is extracted long before bottling begins. Pressure releases the essence within. Raw sweetness begins its transformation. Science shapes nature into usable form. Prepared ingredients move to the next phase.
Logistics connect every stage seamlessly. Even the bubbles are engineered with precision.
All elements align as production prepares to begin. The raw journey now enters controlled precision. Every delivery is timed to the second.
Control begins before production even starts.
Human precision guides mechanical scale. Positioning ensures flawless transfer. Stability is the foundation of safety. The facility reveals its controlled environment.
Machines and workers move in perfect sync.
Raw ingredients begin their internal journey.
Every path is pre-designed for efficiency.
Order turns bulk into precision supply.
Clean water flows into a controlled network. Carbonation begins long before bottling. The formula remains protected at every step. Automation takes over where transport ends. All elements converge into one system. Data controls every movement before production. The factory awakens as production begins.
A global icon operates within walls of precision. Every entry is controlled, every movement accounted.
Access is granted only through verification.
The workforce moves with practiced rhythm.
Safety is warned before production begins.
Cleanliness defines the standard of production. Behind these walls, precision never stops. The heart of the operation comes alive. Every movement is synchronized in industrial harmony. Ingredients meet in controlled environments.
Data guides every stage of production.
Precision is measured in real time. Invisible pathways carry the process forward. Purity is engineered, not assumed. Clean design supports flawless operation.
The stage is set for transformation.
Every container is prepared with precision. Human oversight ensures machine perfection. Every container must be perfectly clean before filling.
Precision cleaning removes even microscopic impurities.
Drying prepares the surface for purity. Speed meets precision in every second. Imperfection is removed instantly. Only precision moves forward. Technology sees what eyes cannot. Approved materials move without delay.
Sterility is essential for global standards.
Invisible layers of protection are applied.
Cleanliness reaches its highest level. Transparency reveals perfection.
Human judgment validates automation.
Transcription. Organization prepares for transformation. Synchronization drives efficiency. Timing ensures perfect coordination. The moment of transformation is about to begin. Sweetness begins its transformation in controlled heat. Energy turns raw material into uniform solution.
Purity emerges through motion and balance.
Every movement is sealed to preserve integrity. Cleanliness defines consistency. Precision temperature ensures perfect blending. Stability prepares for the next transformation. Gene transcription. The signature formula enters the process. Identity is formed in this precise moment.
Balance defines the final flavor.
A global symbol takes shape. Consistency is engineered, not guessed.
The next step adds life to the liquid.
Carbonation gives the drink its signature spark.
Every bubble is carefully controlled.
The product is now alive with energy. The final liquid approaches its container. The transformation nears completion. Precision meets timing at the moment of filling.
The signature drink takes its place inside every container.
Speed and accuracy operate as one system.
Even the foam is engineered to perfection. Every milliliter is measured with accuracy. Correction happens instantly, without interruption. Completion of filling marks the next transition.
Even the smallest components follow precise order.
Preparation leads to instant sealing, and protection begins the moment sealing is complete.
Security is verified at every stage.
Integrity is tested under pressure. Final touches ensure a perfect finish. Cleanliness extends beyond the inside. Presentation begins to take form. Alignment ensures flawless branding.
Identity is ready to be applied.
The final identity becomes visible. Automation drives scale beyond human limits. Machines refine what machines create. Artificial intelligence sees every imperfection. Data controls every second of production. Imperfection is removed without slowing the line. Flow is constantly optimized in motion.
Packaging is prepared before it is needed.
Order defines efficiency at scale. Strength and precision operate together. Protection extends beyond the bottle. Every product is traceable worldwide. Accuracy is confirmed in real time. Scale is achieved through repetition and precision. Stability ensures safe transport. Protection secures the final structure. Every unit is sealed for the journey ahead. Autonomous systems move products forward. The finished product advances to its final stages. Finished units transition into final precision handling. Every pallet is measured before storage. Precision includes exact weight control. Identity follows every shipment. Verification ensures global traceability. Logistics are mapped with precision. A global network begins its journey outward. Distribution spreads the product across nations. Global reach is achieved through local hubs.
Supply chains continue closer to consumers.
The final mile begins its journey. Production now reaches daily human life. The product completes its journey to the consumer. Every bottle carries a global legacy of precision. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.